what you're playing with. Oh, what's that? Do you have your own whisk? Are you helping Mommy make some dinner? What are you going to do with that? Oh, boy, that's what that's for? That looks so good. That looks so good. Is your crazy brother running around? Where's Gabe? Where's Gabe, Miles? Oh, boy. What's he doing? Wow. Okay, I'll leave you alone with that fun thing.